refraction of light by prism. Prism has these 3 rectangular faces and 2 triangular bases. So first fix white paper on a drawing board, then trace the shape of prism. Now mark ABC, all the point of prism. Now fix 2 pins. You can take thumb pin also. By looking, I have fixed the pin on face AB. Now from face AC, I will try to look these pins in a straight line, and I will fix another 2 pins. One more pin. All pins should be in a straight line. Now remove everything and draw line as emergent ray. Suppose PQ and these are RS. So PQ is incident ray and RS is emergent ray. I will join these two, this incident ray and emergent ray, EF for example. If I extend this incident ray and emergent ray, then at this point I will get angle of deviation by D I have denoted. If I draw here normal and dash, so this is angle of incidence, and if I draw a normal on face AC, M dash, so this is angle of emergence, this is angle of diffraction. So by the prism from air to glass and glass to air, 2 times refraction takes place. So you can see that here incident ray and emergent ray are not parallel. It bends away when it comes from glass to air. But in the glass slab, incident ray and refracted ray are parallel. There is, if I drag that line, there is slightly little lateral shift I have shown here by L letter. So this was the difference between refraction by prism and refraction of light by glass.